Hi, I'm Jamie and I'm from VICMIRAS Gas and Heating. Today I'd like to talk about boiler services and the different types of services and what the word service means to a gas engineer like myself. We offer 4 different types of services for your boiler. First off, it could be a simple gas safety check or a standard boiler service. Alternatively, a full strip down boiler service, or we could even attend to do a repair. A gas safety check would involve making sure your appliance in your home was safe. Also, we would check the gas within the property to make sure it was free from any leaks or any blockages. A standard boiler service would generally be completed once a year. We would go and do our general safety checks on the boiler. We would also clean out any filters that required being cleaned out and check water quality within the system. Would make sure that your boiler was working as towards manufacturer's instructions. A full strip down boiler service would be a standard service. On top of that, you would also look to open up the main heat exchanger, clean it out and replace any seals or any components that required to be replaced. This generally takes double the amount of time as a standard boiler service. A boiler repair, I'm looking for faults on the system or on the boiler itself. This might be resolved with a standard or a full strip down boiler service, or it might just be that a component in the boiler is broken and that one component needs to be replaced. I carry a large amount of stock on my van to be able to service or repair your boiler. Worst case, next day, the majority of parts are available. Please have a look at the chart next to see what service best suits you.
This is a document with a breakdown of the 4 key services we provide at VICMIRAS: gas safety check, standard boiler service, full strip down service and boiler repair. Each service is tailored to different customer needs and varies in complexity, number of steps and time required. From a basic check to an in-depth diagnostics and repair, we cover everything to keep your boiler running safely and efficiently. Every service also includes 1 full year of priority support, and customers are added to our members list for ongoing care.
Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, please get in contact.